What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. A special episode that I like to call it. I've been dying to do this for a very long time, and today is the day. Today is the day. So on today's episode, your favorite car YouTuber of 2020, and I know I'm a small channel. I get it. I'm a very small channel to be doing this, but I don't see anybody else doing it. I think it's a very good idea. It'd be interesting to see the results. This is going to be ran all month long. So from now, maybe to the 1st or 2nd of January. It's either going to be the 1st or 2nd of January. I'll see. Get voting. That's all I'm going to say, Shaw. Now, disclaimer, guys. I couldn't cover everybody in this list. I mean, this list is... I feel personally it's got all the top car YouTubers in here. I'm just looking at it now. I was using straw poll, but any other free ones I used, I could only put in a certain amount of answers into it. I feel like that I've done hopefully this list justice for you guys to vote for. And it's multiple as well, so you don't have to select one person. You can select multiple answers. You can put in your top 5 or whoever. So I just think it's gonna be fun to see what the results come out. So guys, please share this video, share the link, let even the big car YouTubers know, or any of your favorite car YouTubers, let them know that this poll has been made. It'd be great to get to get recognized for it. I've tried to appease everybody with this list, like, you know, DD's in there, Vinwiki, Tavarish, even like my friend Ant from Sports and Touring's in there as well. I do try to cover smaller channels, English channels as well. Street Speed 717's in there. I mean, Manny Koshman. I don't want to spoil the whole list for you. You can go to the link below and check it out for yourself and decide who you want to pick. Guys, until this channel, if we are big enough next year for me to go away and make a custom polling website where I can put in way more answers, that will be done. It was very hard for me to pick. I was putting in channels, looking at the list, taking channels out, putting this in, trying to think of all the people that would want these channels in there, and I could only think of the biggest ones, and a few small ones that I feel deserve to be in there. Example, Ice Cream Vlogs. Like, I know he doesn't actually have cars or do much, but the reason I feel he should be in there because he does some great work in uncovering the stuff like organic and tall guy car reviews do. Like, that will never ever be on this list. Vehicle Virgins didn't make this list. I couldn't put them in there, guys. I couldn't. Organic was never going to be put on this list. Tall guy car reviews, no way, not a hope. They were never going to make that list. You know, I just hope this is something I start that will be a lot of fun, and, you know, going forward, hopefully this time next year we're a lot bigger and we get a lot more recognized for it. As I said, guys, this is a discussion channel. It's here to hear your thoughts and opinions and my thoughts and opinions, just to see what's going on, and it's cool to talk about. But this is a big one for me, to see who you would basically count as your top 5. So when it's January 1st or 2nd, I don't know whichever day, I'll probably do January 1st. I will come out with the results. I will give you the top 5, or I can give you the whole list. It's up to you. I really don't know what way this is going to turn out. I will try and give my top 5. I will try. It's so hard because I just thought about it now, and I'm putting myself on the spot as I look at this list. For me, I love rebuild channels. It's just me. I love watching things if they're crashing, getting rebuilt. I think for me, number 1 would be TJ Hunt. I really love his channel. He's done so well this year with the builds he's done, the way he's ran his channel. Just all out love the way he vlogs. Really, really good, really solid. Everything that Sabrina went through as well, you know, he still soldiered through. Just the way he mods his cars, and he's just a really good channel. I love watching his channel. That would probably be my number 1 pick. Second would probably be DDE, Daily Driven Exotics. They've just been project car after project car. fun times, just really good solid content. Always a good time watching their channel, and they're one of the biggest ones up there. I don't even know who I picked for third. Third. Third is a tough one for me. I don't know. Maybe Goon Squad or Bees for Bills. It's very, very tough for a third spot. I would say Goon Squad, because I've been really liking their builds lately. It's a tough one though. Number 4. Jeez, who would I even pick number 4? This is too hard for me. It really is. Like, I don't even know who to pick for number 4. Jesus, I don't know. Number 4, I don't know. Number 4 probably F spot for me. Great channel. Love watching the fuckery that goes on with him. It's hilarious. And number 5 for me, probably maybe, I would say Stradman. I know I'm gonna be shot in the comments for saying Stradman at number 5, but yeah, well, maybe Stradman number 3. See, it's so hard. Like, it's so difficult when you watch so many channels and you like them all. For me, it's been so hard just to even choose. But that's what I hear, guys. I just thought it'd be fun, and hopefully you get behind it. Even comment your top 5 below, or let me know what you think of the ones I've actually picked. I can't appease everybody, guys. It only let me put in so much, and I put in ones I know, and hopefully it's something you like. So guys, please God this does well. Do share it with everybody. Let everybody know that there's a poll going for it. Let people know on Instagram. Just get it out there. If you can tag people in Instagram or anywhere, or even if you have your own channel, make a quick video on it if you want to say, look, I'm doing this. I just want it to be really big, and just to see what the results come out. So we have a whole month of voting to do, to see who comes out a number 1 spot of the 2020 car YouTuber of the year. It's just going to be very, very interesting results, and it's going to be a very fun time indeed. So that is it for today, guys. That is the whole lot. I will be back to regular videos, and not to forget, guys, you have to understand, I'm going to be mentioning this at the start of every video for the next month. I have to, because I'm so small. So please excuse me if you get sick of me mentioning about it at the start of the videos. It's just the way it's going to happen. But also, guys, if you're interested in even coming on the channel and chatting on the weekends, it's something I've been really wanting to do. Or you just want to chat to me on Instagram, hit me up on my Instagram, chat to me, send me a DM. If you want me to chat about any channels or check out any videos, let me know as well. Would love to hear you. But until then, for the next episode, guys, you know what to do. Get voting, get into that link, share it, let everybody know. And we shall see you on the next episode. So till then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.